Eleanor Roosevelt once said, if life were predictable, it would cease to be life and be without flavor. This life is not predictable at all, and this is why we call it the best teacher. Life keeps on teaching us a new lesson every day, and this is why it is always a good practice to sit with or listen to people who has seen more of it, who has lived more than us and has seen more of this world and has gained more experiences than us. So here I am with 25 life hacks from my experience. I am going to tell you 25 tips to follow to sail through this life better. To all the people who are in their 20s, this video can be very beneficial because obviously I have seen and experienced a little more than you people. So here are 25 life hacks, 25 tips to do or perform better in life. Number one, you act kind, people start using you. So even if you are kind from your heart, you don't quickly show it to the world. Stay mean and selfish. First, judge people and situations and then decide how to act. If you will start acting kind to just everyone very casually, in the end, they all will spit you away like chewing gum after enjoying all your juice. Actually, people don't put any limits to taking. Hence, it's you who need to put a limit to giving. Number two, don't trust anyone blindly and fully. People often pretend to be someone else than what they actually are. You never know what they are cooking under their naive face and sweet words. Number three, everybody has different pocket size. Your beginning may be just somebody's ultimate goal. You don't work with somebody for whom your beginning is his ultimate goal. Most of the people get lazy when they get what they deserve. Only few people can continue the hustle. You never work with people whose goals don't match your goals. Number four, this life is all about acting. Know what kind of image you portray in society and start acting like one. Choose your character and play it well. Number five, whenever you deal with people, always deal with you care less attitude. One who cares less always holds more power in deals and in relationships. Number six, talk less, listen more. You must know what to share with whom. You don't tell everything to everyone. Number seven, never share or talk about your future projects and love interest in public. Keep it to yourself until the right time comes. In fact, I would suggest not even to your friends. Number eight, never give suggestions and advices to anyone unless they ask you for it. Nobody values free advice. Number nine, never try to fix anyone. Let people learn and improve through their own efforts. Number 10, never try to correct anyone. You never know where he's coming from, and maybe he knows something which you still don't. We all talk from our level of knowledge and understandings. Somebody's level of knowledge may not match your level of knowledge. Maybe he knows more than you. This is why it is best if you don't judge people and never enter into correct him or correct her mode. Just listen to different opinions and just see what's good for you or not without judging anyone or without trying to correct anyone. Number 11, never deal with anyone as innocent being. We all humans are smart and we all know it all. Don't disrespect anyone. Don't try to act over smartly to anyone. Don't treat anyone as the person is dumb. Always deal with every person as if he or she is smart and he or she knows it all. He or she knows it all. Number 12, never try to shoot your arrows through other shoulders. Focus on your strengths and hustle to make it through your own efforts. Do it and face it by yourself. Number 13, never attach your happiness with anyone or anything. Even though you are very much part of this world, still you stay detached, stay cool and stoic. Number 14, comparison is a root of depression. You never compare yourself, your life with others. Just work to keep on getting better than your previous version. Number 15, lust and greed are the causes of depression. Always aim high and work hard to keep on making it better in life. Nevertheless, stay happy with what you get or be able to make. Number 16, never be afraid of going out and taking risk in life. It will always be better than a dull, sedentary lifestyle. Guys, it's not always about money. When you go out and do something, anything, you always get something out of it. It's always better than sitting idly at home. Number 17, never settle. Your been there, done that list should be long. Do, explore and experience as much as you can. Number 18, nobody cares. Nobody gives a damn about you, and hence all your decisions must be based on you, on your circumstances, on your life, and on your needs, and not on what others will think about it. And you also need to tell yourself that you have to deal with all your problems and situations by yourself. Nobody will come to save you. Number 19, never work on hopes. Stay very realistic. All your decisions must be based on reality, not on fake hopes. Don't build castles in the air. Just face the situations that are then and there and take decisions based on logic and statistics. Number 20, never mind knocking at new doors. You never know who may come up with solution to your problems. So keep knocking at doors. You may find something new, a new opportunity, or maybe solutions to your current problems. Number 21, always treat your money with lots of respect. Money is hard to make, but easy to lose. Thus, you need to respect your money a lot. You use it only to fulfill your needs and desires and not to impress others or to show off to others. Number 22, never be jealous of anyone. In fact, learn to appreciate people's efforts and achievements. Instead of treating others as your competition, you treat them as your source of learning. Learn from others' mistakes and successes. Number 23, never let your failures turn into grudges. Learn and improve. Don't turn yourself into a hater who can't love, respect, and appreciate the beauties of this world. You'll win some, you'll lose some. It's all life. But no matter what comes, you never lose your heart. Number 24, never be afraid of going out and doing what you want because of the fear of failing in it. The feeling of not showing the courage to do it and to go for it is more painful and intense. Let your idea fail, but go ahead and do it. Number 25, always mind your habits and your company. Your company defines your thoughts and habits, and it's your habits which define your future. So guys, those were 25 life hacks. If you follow these tips, I believe you will definitely perform and do better in your life. And before I end this video, I want to remind you one more time, more than hoarding stuff, your life should be more about doing, learning, gaining experiences, and creating memories. And this is it for this video. I'll see you in another video with some new topic to talk about. Till then, hasta la vista. Peace.